How to fix Roblox error code 246. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about fixing the Roblox error code 246. So in this guide, I'll show you how you can fix it easily and by step. So this error usually happens when there are problems joining or using your experiences, which were formerly called as games, on Roblox, especially during the development or testing. So here are the few steps which can help you fix the problem. First, you need to simply wait and retry. Sometimes the issue is usually temporary. Wait for about half an hour or an hour and then try accessing the game or the feature again. You can also try updating your Roblox application. Make sure that your Roblox client is up to date. And on PC, you can reinstall Roblox from the official website if needed. And on mobile, you can check the App Store or Play Store according to your device and check for updates over there and install it. You can also check these Roblox social media or the website to see if there are any outages or maintenance periods, or you can go ahead and search for Roblox status. Go to status.roblox.com and here you will be able to check if there are any outages or maintenance periods going on. And last but not least, try restarting your PC. Turn off your device and then turn back it on. And this often helps fix these types of problems. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.